Can I track my AirPods case using GPS?
Hey there, welcome to our video. Today, we'll be addressing a commonly asked question. Can you track your AirPods case using GPS? AirPods have become incredibly popular wireless earbuds, and losing them can be quite frustrating. So, let's dive into this topic and find out the answer.
How AirPods tracking works.
AirPods themselves do not have built-in GPS capabilities. However, Apple has introduced a feature called Find My that allows you to track your AirPods and their case using a combination of Bluetooth and iCloud technology. When your AirPods are connected to your iPhone, iPad, or any other Apple device linked to your iCloud account, they establish a Bluetooth connection. This connection allows the device to communicate with the AirPods and track their approximate location.
How to track your AirPods case.
To track your AirPods case using the Find My feature, follow these steps. 1. Make sure your AirPods are connected to your iPhone or any other Apple device linked to your iCloud account. 2. Open the Find My app on your device. If you can't find the app, you can search for it in the App Store and download it for free. 3. In the Find My app, tap on the Devices tab at the bottom of the screen. 4. Locate your AirPods in the list of devices and tap on them. 5. You'll see a map with an approximate location of your AirPods. If your AirPods case is within Bluetooth range, you can play a sound to help you locate it. It's important to note that the Find My feature is primarily designed to track the location of the AirPods themselves, not the case. The case is usually in close proximity to the AirPods, so it can give you a general idea of where your case might be located.
Limitations of AirPods tracking.
While the Find My feature can be helpful in locating your AirPods case, there are some limitations to keep in mind. The tracking accuracy is limited to the Bluetooth range between your AirPods and the device connected to iCloud. Once your AirPods are out of range, the accuracy of tracking decreases significantly. If your AirPods case is disconnected or out of battery, it won't be able to transmit its location to the Find My app. The Find My feature relies on Bluetooth technology, which can be obstructed by walls, objects, or other interferences, leading to inaccuracies in tracking. In conclusion, while you can track your AirPods using the Find My feature, the tracking is primarily focused on the AirPods themselves rather than the case. The case's location is estimated based on the last known Bluetooth connection with your device. It's important to note the limitations of AirPods tracking, such as the Bluetooth range and potential interferences. We hope this video has been helpful in answering your question. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and take care.